So let's start with this first. At first average score, a group of men. Okay, do we know how many people are there? We have no idea at all. Completely no idea. All right, we don't know how many group of men. We don't know. Is it 5 men, 10 men, 20 men? We have no idea. Right? Because we have no idea how many men are there. What we'll do is we'll just quickly say that the group of men, let it be X. So this is more of an algebra concept in my average of it. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, so what I will do first is I know that there are X men, right? So in this situation, my N, usually what I love to do is I like to write down something called ANT. ANT stands for average, number, and total. So what's my average? My average in this situation is 70. What's my number? X. What's my total? 70. 70. How do you find your total? It's always average times number, so it's 70x. Okay, so that's the first part. Okay, so that is the first part. That is the first part. Okay, of course, once you're done with this, then what you're going to do is you're going to move on to the second half. Right, the second half says that, hey, one more man decided to join. So what happens is that because this man came, what happens is that he brought the average down to 66. So we'll say average, okay, or rather, I prefer to say the new average. The new average is going to be 66. What's my number of students? One more man join what? So x plus 1, very good. What's the total? How do I find the new total? It's going to be 66 bracket x plus 1. What do I mean by bracket? Bracket basically means you are essentially multiplying. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Which means to say this gets me to 66x plus 66. Okay. Now, from here, right, I want to ask you a very simple question, okay? What do you think is the difference in the total? Why is there a difference in my total and my new total? You know, all of these, right? Let's call it the new number, new total. What do you think is the difference? Who caused the old total to become the new total? Very good. It is that one man that joined. You agree or disagree? Right? It is that one man that joined, right? That one man joined and then the new total just get what? Increase or decrease, we don't know. Agree or disagree? But one thing for sure I know is that because there is a new score of how much? 50. True? Right? So now my question to you is, how can I form an equation? How can I form an equation over here? What's the equation that I can form? I know that in terms of my total, I'm going to compare this to this, right? I realize that one of it has to be what? More or less. We don't know, right? But I know that what caused these to jump to here is because of that 50. Agree or disagree? Now, my question to you is, of course, the new total will be more, right? Because now I added another person, another score. You agree or disagree? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something called good to the pool. Good to the pool basically means give to the pool. Who in this situation is left out? Very good. 70x plus 50. Okay, 70x plus 50 equals to 66x plus 66. Then the next step that you're going to take is what we call same family sit together. Same family sit together becomes 70x minus away 66x is equals to 66 minus away 50. What I mean by that, you're going to bring the 50 over to this side. Right? For the 66x, you're going to bring it over to this side. From here itself, you can see that 4x is equals to what? 66 minus away 50. We know that we will get to an answer of 16. X is equals to 4. Make sense? So x equals to 4 means what? The number of people, or in this situation, the group of men at the very beginning is 4. Does that make sense to you? Right? So from here itself, you can say that this is 4. But the question is not asking us for the number of men at first. The question is asking us for how many men were there altogether in the end. That means I need to fix my eyes on this. That means to say this basically is how much? X plus 1, which then will get me to 4 plus 1, which then will get me to an answer of 5. So how many men were there all together in the end? The answer has to be 5.
Hey there, this is Joseph, and if you truly find value in this, I personally would like to invite you to check out our newly created on-demand learning platform where you will get to watch our conceptual videos and step-by-step walkthroughs of top local school exam papers. The first 50 clients will enjoy early bird prizes, so if you're interested, click the link in the description or WhatsApp me at 8904 2827. I'll speak to you then. Bye.